Hi, my name is Jonathan, and this meeting is about to establish how to be safe in a workplace, manage risk, and reduce hazards in our workplace. Um, the importance of this aspect and purpose of risk management, it's very important to identify risks, and that gives us the ability to manage them, avoid them, or reduce. It helps the people that is in charge of managing risk to have a better way to work around the standards guide. In our association at the moment, we found two risks. One of them is a broken bench press. So this is in the middle of the gym area. And then at the entry level of the gym, there is slippery floors because of the rain. Some of the actions that we require to minimize these risks or eliminate them are, for example, on the broken bench press, we should put safety tape around the bench so nobody uses it, and we need to be sure that nobody uses the machine until it's removed or repaired on site. For the second risk that we identify, which is slippery floors because of the rain, we should put signs indicating that there are wet floors and ask the cleaning team to provide cleaning services and dry the area and place buckets around the area where the water can run through. One of our company policies is that employees must do a safety induction before starting, so they can know what are the rules for the workplace. And a feedback form could be sent to them so we can improve our recruiting system and the induction. Another policy is to let the employees go around the building and establish their own risk so they can see what's wrong in the place and what can it be improved. For example, in the hazards in the gym area, toilets, changing rooms, or in the reception area. At the beginning of the shift, when they start working for us, employees must do a safety check around the venue, and they must clean as required if it needs to be cleaned, even though the cleaning team does a thorough clean during the night, and they must check equipment. For the structure of the managed risk, we have first the board of directors. In between, like lots of functions that they have, the first one is establish the risk management governance structure. The second part of the structure is the risk committee. They have to assist the board to review the risks, review the risk management process, and the significant risk for the company. The next one is president. He and the board of directors work together to make the risk management work properly. So they work as a team, they don't work separate, and they should make the management process work properly. The next structure is risk management executive committee. These ones are in charge of placing strategic risk projects and business and operational risks. The next one is risk management group. They make and adapt the plan to the institution so it can be used inside the workplace. The managers, they need to do a periodic risk assessment using the tools and methods that the previous structure members gave them. They need to support the risk culture of the organization, identify, communicate, and manage risks in the area of operations, and preparing risk analysis worksheet. Employees must comply with the company risk policies, and they need to identify new risks to the authorities. So all of this, it's very important for the association to work in a correct way and try to avoid as much risks as possible.